Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you these Soundcore Anker Q11i headphones. I'm going to tell you what each of the buttons do, all right? And how many buttons are located. So this has 1, 2, 3, and 4 buttons, right? These two are the ports. This is the aux port and this is the Type-C charging port, all right? I really love these headphones and yeah, I think you should definitely buy them. Anyways, so let's go ahead and see what each button does. So as you can see, there's a plus icon here. There's a minus icon here. So the plus is volume up, minus is volume down. And this middle icon, this is the power button. Yeah, this one, all right? And this right here is used to increase your bass. So let's say you're listening to a music that has a lot of good bass, but you feel like it's not enough. You would basically press this once, and then the bass would activate, and you would, have fun with the music. So yeah, that's how it works. But let me tell you some other features with these buttons. The way you use them will have a different outcome. Okay, so let's say so obviously, if you want to power them on, you're going to hold it, okay, until you see the lights here. And let's say if you want to turn them off, you're going to hold this until it turns off, okay? When it comes to the volume up and volume down, so if you want to increase the volume, you're going to press this like this, 1, 2, 3, like that. Similarly, if you want to go volume down, you're going to do 1, 2, 3. But let's say you want to change your music track, okay? So you're going to let's say you want to go to the next track or the previous track, the next track or the previous one. So you're going to hold this one, okay? Or you're going to hold this one. So it's going to go back or you could go forwards, all right? Whichever one you want to go to. Other than that, if you're going to go here, like I said, if you're going to press this once, it's going to go inside the bass mode. But if you're going to hold this, it's going to activate the voice assistant on your phone, okay? Let me show you. We're going to hold this. There you go. You have Google Gemini loading up. But one thing I forgot to mention was that if you press this power button once, it's going to pause or play your song. So if you want to pause your song, let's say you're listening to music and you want to pause it, you're going to press this power button just once and it'll pause. And if you want to resume, you're going to press this again. Similarly, let's say you're listening to music and you receive a call. If you want to answer the call, you're going to press this. Once you've answered it, and now let's say you want to decline the call, you're going to press this once again. That's all.